Party to three separate lawsuits right now, none bigger than the Cryptozoo lawsuit.
Controversy has a way of clinging to internet personalities, and right now Logan Paul isn't just dealing with drama. He's facing one of the most significant creator-related legal battles the industry has seen. Three separate lawsuits, millions of dollars at risk, and the biggest spotlight of all on Cryptozoo. Not long ago, social media went wild when entertainment platform Dexerto announced that a federal judge had tossed out the class action lawsuit against Logan Paul. The story spread everywhere in no time. Millions of views, thousands of reactions. And the internet did what it does best. He's dodging responsibility again. Influencers always walk free. What about the people who lost money? But before jumping to conclusions, let's slow things down and look at the actual facts behind the noise. What was Cryptozoo supposed to be? Back in 2021, Logan Paul hyped up his newest venture, a blockchain game where players could mint and trade exotic hybrid animals as NFTs. The idea promised passive income, community participation, and a futuristic gaming experience. People believed in the vision. Supporters bought in with real money. Collectors stocked up on NFTs. Then complete silence. No game. No functioning features. Just a community stuck with assets they claim had no value. Things escalated when YouTuber CoffeeZilla released a detailed investigation, uncovering internal disagreements, disappearing developers, and frustrated investors demanding answers. Logan fired back publicly, even suggesting legal action, only to pull back later and vow to fix the situation. For many, legal accountability suddenly felt possible. And then the judge issued the latest ruling. Did Logan Paul actually win? Not quite. While the judge did dismiss the lawsuit, here's what most headlines didn't clarify. It wasn't a final victory. The court granted the plaintiffs permission to file a revised version of the case. Only one specific claim was permanently removed, which means no official ruling on guilt or innocence. The lawsuit can come right back. Logan Paul still has legal hurdles ahead. Legal professionals have pointed out that this wasn't about clearing his name, just about whether the filing met procedural standards. Crypto-based cases are extremely complicated, and this one is no exception. So yes, Logan gets a short break, but the fight is far from finished. Public opinion isn't slowing down. While the court moves slowly, public frustration does not. Many early investors still worry their losses will never be compensated, even though Logan once pitched a refund plan that remains mostly unresolved. Meanwhile, CoffeeZilla continues to stand by his reporting. Some fear if Logan avoids major legal consequences, his countersuit could become a bigger threat to the investigator who exposed the controversy. This situation is no longer just about a failed project. It's about trust, integrity, and influence in the digital creator world. Logan Paul's career? Still full speed ahead. Interestingly, the legal drama hasn't slowed his rise to mainstream success one bit. He currently holds the WWE United States Championship. Prime energy drinks dominate global retail shelves. And much of his audience continues cheering like nothing happened. It's almost like two narratives are unfolding simultaneously. Sports medal Logan Paul, the superstar entertainer thriving in the spotlight. Briefcase Logan Paul, the businessman still facing unresolved allegations. Which version will shape his future legacy? That answer hasn't arrived yet. What comes next? Now the next move belongs to the plaintiffs. Rewrite the lawsuit with stronger claims and pursue justice. Or let the case fade out and move on. If they choose to continue, this could stretch on for years. But one thing won't go away: the attention of millions who want heavy checkmark answers. Heavy checkmark responsibility. Heavy checkmark fair treatment for those who lost money. CoffeeZilla has already suggested he'll revisit the case once new filings appear, meaning the story is far from over. The bigger lesson: regardless of how Logan Paul's situation plays out, Cryptozoo serves as a powerful reminder. Celebrity endorsements can cloud judgment, and fans often absorb the financial fallout. When hype, technology, and trusted influencers collide, the risks can be far greater than they seem. Skepticism is a valuable shield, especially when real money is on the line. Because one thing's for sure: The final chapter of Cryptozoo hasn't been written yet. Outro/call to action. Do you believe Logan Paul should still be held accountable? Or has he been unfairly judged by the internet?
Acted like they
Share your
invented
thoughts
a
in the
dream.
comments. And
that
don't
dream
forget to
was
subscribe,
$1 billion
because
X,
this
the
story
Gatorade
is
killer,
still unfolding,
except
and
instead
we'll
of
be here
actual
to
perform
cover
how to
every update.
microwave a legacy